30th of November, slot 1, cat 1. So you can see the student coming out. So we have to ask them what was the pattern, dear?
Pattern was same as last year.
Last year.
Yeah.
Verbal, how many questions?
24.
24. 16 of RC
16 of RC
and
8
2
of
PJ,
2
parasol.
Two
Any new
parallel
type
and
of question?
No new
So
type
there
of
was no new type of questions in VA. It was simply the same pattern as it was last year. So 16 plus 8 was the pattern. In DILR 4 into 5.
3 sets of 4 questions and 2 sets of 5.
3 sets of 4 questions and 2 sets of 5 questions. So typical 22 questions as it was last year. Same pattern in DILR. And in quantitative aptitude
22 questions.
22 questions, same theta 8
Mainly
questions mainly,
arithmetic,
right?
yeah.
So overall, like you must have attempted previous year paper, this year
Yeah,
paper. Verbal was on the same level.
No, all 3 sections. Maths was on the same level, but
Okay.
DILR and verbal was a little difficult.
Little difficult.
Yeah.
So last year DILR was quite easy as compared to 23, but this year they say
This
the
year was little
sets were slightly challenging.
Yes.
Okay, how many sets you could attempt?
2.
2 sets. Okay, good attempt. So and in VARC
All 24 questions.
all 24 questions.
Yeah.
So my dear friends, there is a news that there is no change as far as pattern is concerned of CAT 2025. Difficulty level as per your name?
Jay.
As per Jay, verbal is slightly difficult as compared to previous year. DILR is also, but quant is on the same level. You appeared in the first slot here? Okay, good. Hi. Hello. So you appeared in the first slot?
Yeah,
Okay. What was the difficulty level of verbal, DILR, quant?
I think it was a bit easier than the 2023 cat.
Which
and
one?
2023.
3.
Yeah.
Okay.
And a bit difficult than the 2022 and 24.
2022 or 24 से थोड़ा
ऊपर
difficult
था,
था.
हाँ.
Right. So which section out of 3 you found slightly the toughest one among this slot?
For me, it was the LRDI, I guess.
LRDI.
And I found the quants to be the easiest.
Right. Chalo, thank you dear. Thank you very much. So this is Soni Goyal from Mission Cat, and the basic review for first slot is DILR is slightly tough. Quantitative is at the same level and verbal is between 23 and 24 का जो difficulty level था उसके बीच में था. All the best for 2024 slot 25 slot 2 and slot 3 because difficulty level is slightly high but the pattern is absolutely same. All the best.